Díoghaibh is Mrs. Kup-awn. Hi, I'm Kup-awn from Bite Size Irish, and today let's learn how to say English in Irish. There are two different words in Irish for the word English, depending on its meaning. The English language is known in Irish as Béarla. Béarla. Repeat after me. Béarla. Now let's use that in a sentence. I speak English. Taw Bayr-la agam. Literally, I have English, or there is English at me. Taw Bayr-la agam. Repeat after me. Taw Bayr-la agam. Taw Bayr-la agam. An English person is called by a different word. Sasanach. Sasanach. Repeat after me. Sasanach. Now let's use that in a sentence. He's an Englishman. He's English. Iss Soss-a-nukh. Repeat after me. Iss Soss-a-nukh. Iss Soss-a-nukh. Sasanach can be used to refer to either a man, a woman, or a child. To refer to the English people as a whole, you would say Sasanaigh. Sasanaigh. You might also hear it pronounced as Sasanaigh. Sasanaigh. The English. This is simply the plural form of Sasanach. Repeat after me. Sasanaigh. Sasanaigh or Sasanaigh. Sasanach is also used as an adjective, that is, to describe something that is English, such as an object that was made in England or is of an English design. An example would be kup-awn Sasanach, an English cup. Kup-awn Sasanach. Repeat after me. Kup-awn Sasanach. That might be a cup that was made in England or designed in England or of an English design. Let's put that in a sentence now. An kup-awn Sasanach. Is it an English cup? An kup-awn Sasanach. Repeat after me. An kup-awn Sasanach. Now you know how to speak about everything English in Irish. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.